Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get ivory in Crimson Desert. Now first things first, on my map my current location is right around southeast of the Four Bears Barrens or just about to the northwest of Tashkalp town, as you can see right here. I'm pretty much right around the middle of this little river, and thankfully on this location there is an abyss nexus that you can access for you to be able to harvest ivory much faster. Now, when you teleport or find this abyss nexus, right in front of you should be some elephants. Now, there is a chance for there to be between 1 to 3 elephants that are going to spawn directly in front of you. And currently right now, it seems to be that there is 2 elephants right in front of me. So that's pretty much good for me so I can farm more ivory. Now, do be a little bit careful. There is a bandit camp right next to you. So it's either your choice to liberate that or just focus on the elephants right in front of you. I do recommend having a way of like setting these elephants on fire to make them pretty much immobile. Now I do have the flame element right here, and if you don't have it, don't worry too much. It's just a way of making things a lot easier. If you don't have flame, you can just chase them around and kill them. Now the next thing I'm going to do a turning slash, imbue my fire element, and then stun the elephant right here. And this should be an easy kill, as you can see right there. And if the other elephant does manage to run, prioritize skinning this elephant first or else it's going to despawn. Alright, now after skinning the elephant, you should be able to get between 1 to 3 ivory as well. Now let me just go over back to the Abyss Nexus here. And as you can see right there, there's now 1 elephant back on the location. And that's about it on how to get ivory in Crimson Desert.